Okay, so we're trying to attempt to take off these quick connect fittings. This is my radiator, my transmission oil cooling. And there's a little pin in there. I'm going to show you how to take it off the easy way. Get you a fishing hook. Let me slide underneath here real quick. I'm trying to make this video fast, you know. You take this fishing hook and you find any spot you can slide this in on the little tab. I'll show you what it looks like once it comes out. See, here we go. There it is. Done. See, this little piece comes around. You get that out with the fishing hook. You grab a hold of the pipe right here. Take your two fingers, you put it like this, and you pull. Pops right off. And if you guys give me a second, I'll go ahead and get the other fitting. Alright, back. And you just simply take your new fitting. See, it has that little connection right here that I just popped off the other one. It's on the inside. You just put it on your pipe with the threads facing outward. You put your thumb on it and you push and it pops in. Now you can go ahead and screw it in as you need to.